The 7 Flushing Local and less than 7 greater than Flushing Express are 2 rapid transit services in the A division of the New York City Subway, providing local and express services along the full length of the IRT Flushing line. Their route emblems, or bullets, are colored purple, since they serve the Flushing line. 7 trains operate at all times between Main Street in Flushing, Queens and 34th Street Hudson Yards in Chelsea, Manhattan. Local service operates at all times, while express service runs only during rush hours and early evenings in the peak direction and during special events. The 7 route started running in 1915 when the Flushing line opened. Since 1927, the 7 has held largely the same route, except for a one-stop western extension from Times Square to Hudson Yards in 2015. The 188 South African Rand is a class of new technology, NTT, New York City subway cars built by Kawasaki Heavy Industries for the A division. The fleet entered service in 2013, displacing the 1980s era R62A cars that operated on the 7 and Flushing Express services, in conjunction with the automation of the IRT Flushing line signal system with communications-based train control CBTC. The R188 order also expanded the 7's fleet as part of the 7 subway extension, which opened in 2015. Of the 506 cars in the fleet, only 126 were built brand new. The remaining 380 cars were originally part of the R142A fleet that entered service in 2000, before being upgraded to R188S with the installation of CBTC equipment. The fleet first entered passenger service on November 9, 2013, and the final cars were delivered in June 2016. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.